Do you know how many sounds the letter S has? So if you don't know, don't worry about that. Now we are going to learn that. Well, the letter S has two sounds. They are S sound and sh sound. Now let's practice that S sound and sh sound through some examples. So now at first the first one is S sound. So S is sun, sun, and the other one is sit, sit. Then we have sh sound. Sh for sugar, sugar. And the another and the last example is show, show. It is not sure. There is no word in English dictionary called sure. It is show, show. Alright? I trust you had a great time. Don't forget to like and comment. Assalamualaikum.